No, that's right.
Damn, man, fucking prom night, fucking Camden, New Jersey.
There's a big thing, dance fucking thing tonight.
Do it?
Yeah. Down at the Grange.
What is it?
Dance of the fucking day or something.
Oh, that fucking weird fucking shit.
Yeah, Sabre music or whatever that.
Yeah, the techno and all that crap.
Yeah, that shit that Marcel likes.
Yeah.
Oi.
Hey.
Fuck.
What'd you do, fuck it up?
No, actually I did very as I designed. Pretty close.
Yeah, looks good.
For first attempt, couple messy parts here and there, but yeah.
That's my drone.
Yeah.
That piece that we put on there.
Yeah.
And it stayed on there doing it that way.
Yeah.
Get a close up of that. Cool.
But you see, it's moving.
What do you mean?
The bottom is closer to the wood than the top. Every time you turn, see?
Yeah. I don't think it's moving. I just think that's the way it was.
Okay.
Yeah. The hell's that all about? See? You fucking worked on it. You watched the damn thing and now it don't fucking run. That's to piss off the freaking pulp. Go for it, man. You got 2 minutes and 30 seconds and 40 seconds on this thing recording on a cheap video.
You got the cord to play it back on your computer?
Yeah, I can actually plug it right into my TV. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. That's a video of Junkie City. Huh? A video of Junkie City.
Junkie?
Junkie.
On what drug, man? There's only pot here.
JC, Junction, Junk City. That's good. What's it gonna be? Something to hit somebody over the head with?
Kind of.
Go.
Just the first attempt. I mean, second.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
Be a goblet or something.
Come well.
A goblet.
Oh.
You know, like the what is that thing? The Golden Grill, the
Holy Grail.
Holy Grail. Yeah, you just gotta cut out the center of that one. Put the stand on it.
How do you do if you have to make a hole, like bore it?
Now this comes off, and you got the faceplate on here, which I don't have. That's the piece I ordered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that what the UPS delivered today?
I don't know. Did they bring something today?
Yeah, you just delivered right now. 10 minutes. We were inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
Just picked up something right there.
really?
Yeah.
It wasn't her cigarettes? Well, let's go see. Gunther? Did UPS bring you something? Huh? Let's go see. Right. Oh, tape. It was the packing tape.
Oh.
Holy crap, man, I already got 5 minutes, 35 seconds on this little disc.
What's the size of your card?
I don't know, I took it out of the camera.
Oh. Oh.
High definition too, man.